Imagine yourself in this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: pickup box, wheel design, air cleaner, high capacity, differential, heavy-duty locking rear, four-wheel drive, cooling, external engine oil cooler, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, alternator, 150 amps, frame, fully boxed, hydroform front section, steering, recirculating ball and exhaust, aluminized stainless steel muffler and tailpipe. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.